Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you a makeup trick which can make your eyes look bigger. Not only this, it will also make your face look fresh all day long. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching this video. I'm gonna start off by using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer and apply it onto my face and concentrate on areas where I have pores. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation. For applying foundation, I'm going to take foundation on the back of my hand and with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to apply it on my face in a bouncing motion. I'm going to make sure that I don't forget my neck because that's the area we generally tend to forget. And then I'm going to move on with my concealer. For concealer, I'm using Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to first apply it with the help of brush and then with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to bounce and blend it all in till I'm satisfied with the coverage and the finish. And now to set my base makeup, I'm going to use L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Pressed Powder. Once fully thorough with my base makeup, I'm going to go ahead and draw my eyebrows with the help of a brow pencil. The one I'm using is by Nykaa Brow Chika Wow. That's my favorite brow pencil till date. And then I'm going to use Maybelline The Nudes palette and take that basic shade and apply it all over my eyelid. And now I'm going to take that grayish shade on a fluffy blending brush and put it onto my crease line and blend it till the color looks smooth. Now I'm going to take Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner and draw a winged eyeliner. I will make sure that I draw a quite bold wing liner that will make my eyes look bigger. And then I'm going to take that Odbo Highlighter and highlight the high points of my face, that is my cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my brow bone and my cheekbones. I'm going to take that same highlighter on a flat brush and apply it on my lower lash line so that my eyes look fresh, and it will also, like I said before, enhance the shape of my eyes, which will make my eyes look big. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara only on my upper lashes, and I'm going to totally avoid my lower lashes to give my eyes that big and fresh look. And next step is to apply blush on my cheeks. Blush that I'm using is by Colorbar. I will also highlight the inner corners of my eyes with the same highlighter, and to complete the look I will be using the lipstick from MAC. This is the shade Mehr Rs, a very rosy pinkish brown shade. Like I said before, this look has the main focus on eyes, so to enhance my eyes more, I'm going to apply false eyelashes. This is an optional step if you want, but if you will apply it, it will overall attract the look on your face. So I would suggest you to use false lashes. And guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.